if I remove this step, as you can see, because this is not real duplicated, because the entire row are not duplicated, are not the same information. Hi everyone, Rodrigo here once again for one more Power Query video. I saw Power Query videos are really famous here in our YouTube channel. That's why I just want to share with you today how to remove duplicate rows. Without further ado, let's do it together. Guys, here you can see in my screen, I will click on try a sample data set, load sample data. Then let's move on to Power Query directly. So once you click in the table that you want to work, you have to click on transform data, right? Once you do it, you will see this new window related to Power Query editor. And here, to remove duplicate rows, it's really simple and easy. For example, I will just select filter Germany here in order to show you. For example, if in my case this information Germany was duplicated and my intention was to delete the duplicate rows in order to have only one row. How can I do it from the perspective of this column? I just have to click in the column that I want to use as my guideline and then click with the right button on my mouse and then remove duplicates. Okay, you have this way to remove, as well as you have another way up here, remove rules, remove duplicates. Okay, once you select the column, you'll be able to remove. So if I click it here, as you can see, Power Query just keep it the first row related to Germany. Okay, and now I have this step applied in the right side over here. If I remove this step, as you can see, because this is not real duplicated, because the entire row are not duplicated, are not the same information. So I wanna use more criteria in order to remove. How can I do it? I just have to select more columns, for example, like this. Okay, in my case, I'm just holding the Control key in my keyboard and then selecting. All right, you can also hold the Shift button in your keyboard and then click in the final column that you want to select. Then, oh, I did wrongly, because I need to first of all select the first column, then hold the Shift button, then click in the last column, and you will see over here all the columns are selected right now. And from this moment, I can just click with the right button on my mouse and then remove duplicates. In this case, Power Query will remove only the rows that entirely are duplicated. Okay, those who are not duplicated will be here in my data set. Okay, so guys, you saw it's really simple to remove duplicate rows on Power Query. I hope you like it. If you like it, don't forget to thumbs up. Check if you are a subscriber. If you're not, please consider subscribe, and if you have any question, just leave in the comments below. Okay, that's all for today, and see you in the next video. Bye.